here to figure out how to find a market. That is the #1 hardest thing about starting a high-tech business.
Too many entrepreneurs waste time, energy, effort trying to solve a problem that either doesn't exist or, frankly, that no one cares about.
They forget that if it doesn't mean something to someone else, it's not really a business.
Every journey has a first step, and the first step here is there really a viable business opportunity?
This program is about that fundamental mind shift of changing the way you think to not what's the really cool widget, but what do people actually need.
This is such an important way for these early stage people in the Colorado ecosystem to learn this. We have the best people in the state teaching this here right now.
You walk away with skills that you can use for a lifetime. It is the most powerful way to rapidly learn and bring products to market.